is Simon Ng. I'm the Partner Sales Director for Dassault Systems, Customer Role Experience Team in Asia Pacific South. Thank you very much for attending this 3D Experience Innovation Day with CVS here in Johor today. So our message this year is together we create. We have a lot of speakers starting from Adrian Khor speaking about sustainability, various technologies that benefits our customers like yourself. And we have KH Leong who spoke about collaboration technology. And we have our partners, various partners, alliances, talking about various products and solutions. We have the What's New in SolidWorks, and I lastly spoke about AI, right? How it helps engineers to be more productive, and AI to help our customers like yourself, right, to win new business. So the message we had is, if we do the right things, we can change the world.
Thank you, CADVision, for giving us an opportunity, right, to showcase our latest and greatest product, and also giving an opportunity for customer to have a proper touch and feel. Right? It is also our vision in Lenovo to showcase to customer our latest AI solution and how it can help them to drive more innovation, improve productivity, and also efficiency.
Hi everyone, I'm YK. Big thanks to CADVision for having me here in JB Innovation Day. I would love to thank them to help me to develop more in the CAD and how the 3D modeling works. With the 3D modeling, I can have a much more visions on my products before we head through actual parts. So thanks again to CADVision. Looking forward to work more with you.
Hi, I'm Ken from CADVision Systems Johor Bahru. Thank you for joining us at SolidWorks Innovation Day today. I'm happy to see everyone here. Let's keep working together to create and improve with new idea and technology. Thank you again for being part of this event.